Today, I want to tell you all about one of my favourite marketing strategies, joint ventures.
We used an AI program to come up with what's on trend, give us some ideas, generate some project ideas that are not only on trend but are going to provide inspiration for our customers, and our senior graphic designer went away and made it.
I would absolutely recommend Intrigue. It's been great. It's been nice and relaxed and casual and super easy to meet people.
Definitely hearing from a different range of speakers from a lot of different brands. Yeah, it's interesting to hear their perspectives and definitely a good mix of senior people here as well. So yeah, great value.
I would definitely recommend MAdVerse to both agencies and in-house teams. I think it's important to get perspectives on both sides. So agencies can see what marketing managers are feeling, and marketing managers get an insight into how agencies should operate.
Personal highlight, it was awesome and the energy was good. Lots of information on marketing, branding. Get here and connect. It's all about connecting, joint ventures, collaborations. You should be in it. Got to be in it to win it.